Okay, so on the new generation of BMW climate control, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different levels of auto.
Why does she like the number?
You guys were both on auto
She
level
sings a
1,
song called 1, 2,
which means like the fan stays as quiet as possible. That's why you never hear the fan in this car. This liberates the fan to go higher.
So it's gotta be. Yeah. Well,
so like that's like that's me. So that's halfway. No, that's my seatbelt. So that's
it's like being on the lowest suppresses how cold it could.
Basically, it suppresses how much air can move through the cabin, right? So it's blowing as cold as possible air to try to get you to 68.
Yeah.
But you guys are feeling hot because it's like there's just not enough air coming through the cabin.
Oh no. So like, I get it on the lowest one, but Dave usually, picks it up a little bit, right, Dave? Don't you?
I assume that auto means auto.
Auto does mean auto in terms of
max.
your comfort, but like for example, like if I put it like this, it would be liberated to use as much air as possible, and then that tries to get it down to 60 as quickly as possible with one touch.
Yeah.
But it's not auto; it's just like cold as possible.
But I think Dave does max.
Why would I do max because the auto does?
No, but I knew what auto does. Like, okay, never mind.
So,
but every other car has had auto. There's no chance. There's no resetting the fan.
Right. So on your other car, like when you hit auto, it'll go as high as it needs to, and then it'll quiet down over time. On this car, it limits it to like because I think what they found out is like people they get into the car, they push auto, the fan's really loud, and they turn it off auto.
That's right.
So what they're doing with this one is like let's quiet it down a little bit, but not get rid of auto, right? So that's quiet enough, I think. 3 or 4.
BMW needs to make it confusing.
I like the feature, but I think it could be better explained.
What do you see?
Dave laughs at me because I'm a very on-off type of person about air conditioning.
Yeah, a lot of people are too hot, too cold, too hot, too cold.
Yeah, that's me.
No, she either turns it on or turns it really hot.
Yeah.
She doesn't. The third concept of a thermostat.
I'm keeping it at a certain temperature. Yeah, I hate that.
I'm cold.
I mean, I don't understand it.
I'm cold. Full heat.
Yeah.
I'm hot. Full cold.
Yes. That's right.
What happened?
Full hot